great power comes a great beatdown. Oh, ain't you just the cutest little thing?
Hey!
Huh? You got a black belt and stupid if you think you're gonna beat me. Huh, you kiss your mother with that face? Jeez. My slime ball sense is tingling. That's why JJ pays me the big bucks. Huh? Dude, you suck! Do your job! Having fun yet? Does what a spider can. I let everyone down. There's never enough time. Want some of this? Just not your day, though. Huh? Having fun?
Hey!
Get ready! Maximum Spider! Having fun? Dude, you suck! Do your job! Having fun yet? Does what a spider can. Get ready! Maximum Spider!
Today is the day I make the front cover of the paper. I will make sure you'll never bother me again. I will find and kill all rabbits.
Hey! I'm going to punish you real bad, you naughty cat. How come that naughty cat just vanished?
I will get you now, rats, and skin you alive!
Huh?
Didn't even need my spider sense for that one. Good old spider sense. What would I do without you?
Shut up, you silly cat! I'll keep you locked in here forever!
Get ready! Maximum spider!
I will make sure you'll never bother me again! Oh, you are back again? Stay out of my house, you little brat! It doesn't even look like a candle. You failed.
Dude, you suck! Do your job! Having fun yet? Does what a spider can.
What are you doing in my house?
Look out! Here comes the Spider-Man. Spider sense is tingling. With great power comes a great beatdown.
What on earth is that on my face? Oh, get it off me! Get it off now! It doesn't even look like a candle. You failed. This will always be my favorite show. It doesn't even look like a candle. You failed.
Sorry, little guy. Beating you up's like stepping on a kitten.
Oh, I will find and kill you!
Hey! Hey!